So many Igbo people are seriously suffering in Lagos slums. Seeing it for myself. Some of these people have large lands, large expanses of lands, and palm trees, like cash stuff that have been lost, or even worse, being possessed by other people. Yet you are in Orili Igamu. Water is entering inside your house. Efulefu behavior, slaving in another man's land while your own richer vineyard is lying fallow, lying waste. You are losing it. Seminarian behavior. In my own case, we've had lands that the last time it was cultivated was my grandmother. My grandmother died in 98. Nobody has touched the land since. Who knows how many have been lost. But emago maka mmadụ etinyego arụ na nwoke adịgo n'obi ife a na-apụta. O nwekwa ndị na-ejili akpọla ife o. O nwere ma n'ebo ani ebe n'ebe dị na ebe n'ebe na-afịa ụzọ. Akpụ ọkala ete juu na anya. Ngwu juu na ya. Adị ekwuzi maka ogilis. Nkwụ, trees, palm trees can't choke. We don't know about that land for a long time. Inodo na-akọ ife na-agbakamoto. Inodo mmiri na-abanye na be mmadụ na Lagos guy. And we both the rich and the poor, so no be even the rich, no be even the poor. This one now you go to come outside from your street. That year for youth service, you go to come outside for your street. You go first swim through waterway, you don't know what the hell we go inside them. Nah, the sequel. Oya name of Makana, see how that looks go. Damn, I kokwana kifere man.